I have all sorts of information I can look at. I've got 6 windows down here that I can run back and forth, seeing, as you can tell, rotor speed, concave opening is number 3. I think that's actually mapping my yield. And then also I'm mapping with this iPad. So I typically run it on here so I can see my entire machine. Bushels per hour, bushels per acre, instant moisture. And that is really lovely moisture. I'm glad it didn't fall any lower than that. And then all of my rotor, sieve, those are all monitored and constantly adjusting automatically on that machine.